got your shit snatched. If they ain't take it, you ain't never get your shit back. 4-0, hollow tips, push your shit back. Get his stomach, he gon' probably need a shit bag. You ain't really blowing up with your bitch ass. On sight, if we catch him, he gon' get smashed. Shoot first, run down with them bricks at. Run up, act dumb, make him get back. Only thing be the cross is the double up. We don't really give a fuck if you fuck with us. 4-0, hit his body, make him bubble up. Twin cannons, 2 hands like a double dutch. You ain't ducking no smoke when you cover us. Leave a nigga ass out if he running up. If you ain't tryna kill none, what you gonna fuck? Lord, bro, give a nigga where he coming from. Lord, bro, give a nigga where he coming from. You already fucking know, man. Hey, man, but listen, though. I ain't got time for the whole shit. A nigga sneak this and get his dope kick. Yo, new chick, that's an old bitch. Niggas flipping O's from the old shit. Take a nigga down for some old shit. Smoking all he got, that's a whole zip. Got squad like to smoke the whole clip. My niggas doing hits in and out of bitch. Niggas killing shit from the same block. Niggas dry shit, got my name hot. I cook 3 O's in the same pot. 30 shot Glock, got my hand hot. Fucking with the dudes, cause your clan drop. Nigga chest open like a laptop. How the fuck you beefing with no guap? Gucci belt, bunker, call it goo wop. We double up on 2 like Tupac. We all push dancing like Tupac. When a man down, make his crew stop. I said when his man down, make his crew stop. We all push dancing like Tupac. When his man down, make his crew stop. Fuck niggas, let's get it.
Pop out with 2s like a nigga start working. Take his big homie, that's really gon' hurt him. One thing for certain, can't he be spurging. Cut the work, you know I sit you through surgery. Door-to-door service like I'm selling Kirby's. Every week Thanksgiving, we baking birdies. Pull up, start swerving, they shooting on purpose. I'm trying to earth them, that's why I'm out lurking. Give them the whole clip, you know that's a 50. 50s are with me, 50s are near me. Want me, come get me, you know my gun with me. I'm swift with this semi.
Unload till it's empty, you know I ain't stingy.
We close when it's friendly. It's cold, yeah, it's windy. Blow smoke like a chimney. Finesse how you living, we gotta go get it. If you ain't living like us, you ain't living, nigga. Gotta get it up. Big shit, bro. Mine on a million, man. I'm trying to touch it.
Hey, let me get him. Hey, slide up on with a gloss car. Politics make his top pop. I be posted on a hot block with hella rocks and hella shots. A nigga try me, another fella drops. And now I'm ducking helicopters. Wanna catch me, they bet not. Or this chopper get helicopters. Swear to God, I'm with this shit. Swear to God, I'm turning sticks. Swear to God, they can't fuck with my clip. Swear to God, boy, we finna get rich. Swear to God, boy, we on our shit. Niggas playing, but we ain't even with that. Real little niggas, real big strap. Chopping bullets, break a nigga, no Kit Kat. All these down shots, a nigga won't spit back. Bitch like they got away, all this kickback. Paint a post, the homies full big straps. Man down, left his ass, where he at? Paint a post, the homies full big straps. Man down, left his ass, where he at? Bitch got a whole lot of kickback.
Tan bacon, wait, Jake Smak and G-Mac. Justo got the Mac. We try through the first time to see where they at. Blue round the block, then we come through the back. Parked in the whip, grab the chopper and Mac. We rob him and kill him, then we match the gas. Play me like a pussy, boy, I'll be the last. Can't nobody stop me, boy, I'm on your ass. Play me like a pussy, boy, I'll be the last. Can't nobody stop me, boy, I'm on your ass. That bitch nigga shit ain't in me. That bitch nigga shit ain't in me. That bitch nigga shit ain't in me. I got it on me, pussy nigga, don't tempt me. I got 30 shots in this semi, and I smoke your ass like a chimney. That bitch nigga shit ain't in me. That bitch nigga shit ain't in me. That bitch nigga shit ain't in me. I got it on me, pussy nigga, don't tempt me. I got 30 shots in this semi, and I smoke your ass like a chimney. Play me like a pussy, boy, I'll be the last. Can't nobody stop me, boy, I'm on your ass.
Niggas playing, that's why niggas die. Don't be round with my bullets flying. Check your watch, cause I'm big time. Try to take mine, nigga, take 9. I ain't really with the mate, but a young nigga patient. And I live what a nigga say, man. If you hold together, this a takedown. Cause it seem like a damn now. Make a bitch nigga bail out. He gon' pipe try to tell now. Try to put me in the cell now. Try to put me in the jail now. Since the wasn't giving hell round. Since some more shit I can't tell about. Say you got work we can't tell now. Gang with a lot of guns.